The size of a red blood cell is 0.5 times 0 and 7 meters, and size of the plant cell is 0.4 times 0 1275 meters. Find the ratio of the size of red blood cell to that of the plant cell. So here we have just to find the size ratio of RBC to plant cell. Okay. Now the important part is check whether everything is in the same units, meter. Only then proceed. If it is meter centimeter, you will have to convert them to same units. Then it is given in the same unit. Okay. So what you have to do is just divide them. Point how many 507 divided by 0.401275. Remove the number of zeros. How many gone from here? 3 plus 3 6. How many from here? 3 plus 3 6 and 2 8. Okay, so 2 zeros would be added in the numerator. 700 upon 1275. Go on minimizing this, means reducing this. Divided by 25, you get 28 divided by 51. This can't be divided further.